Hey everyone, it is Sandy and I am here to share with you May's Clique Kit. So I'm really excited because it's got such pretty colors. So when you get your kit is going to come in this baggie here, and it has the Clique Kit symbol on there. I just took it out of there just to save some time, but I wanted you to see that. So I'm going to go through the papers with you. I love all the rose gold in this kit. I'm super excited about it. So let me push that aside and I'm going to go through these papers with you. They're so pretty. I just love them, and I love the thickness of Pink Fresh Studios paper. Their cardstock, it's so thick, and I really just love the feeling of it. So I'm really excited about this. Anyways, like I said, it's from Pink Fresh Studio. This first paper right here is called Sincere, and as you can see, it's just got beautiful colors. So, like, these are really deep, just such pretty vibrant colors. I just think that's why it looks so springy. I'm so ready for spring, as I know a lot of people probably are. So that's one side of it. And then here's the other side. It's got some really cute polka dots on there. I love that. I'm going to keep it on this side. So I'll put that aside. Here's the other paper. The second one, it's called Whim. And there's the designs on it. Again, really pretty. And I love that the patterns are a little bit bigger. They're not super tiny on here or anything. There's the other side, really cute yellow with some more pattern on there. So, oh, look at this one with hearts. Oh, so cute. So it says like observation, all heart stories, love it, good things, loving right now, authentic, perfection, just lots of cute things. Look at those colors. They just pop off the page. I love them. All right, so this one's called Caper, it looks like. And let me flip it around and show you the other side. Again, another cute design on there. There we go. I'm hoping you guys can see that really well. So there's that third one. Here's the other one. This fourth one, I'm trying to look. Let's see. Maybe it should go this way. Here we go. That's the first side. There we go. And it looks like it's called Instinct. There we go. And that's it. I love this side better, honestly. I like both sides, but I really like the look of this one. I'm gonna leave it on this side just because I like that one a lot better. Oh, I like the little patterns on this one. So it's pretty white, and this is called May. So there we go. And then let's see what the other side looks like. Black and white, and I really like this one. The coffee cup, the alarm clock, ice cream, chocolate, oh, all the yummy things. Your couch, yes. It's got, let's see, documenting the messy stuff, embrace the imperfections, blah, no thank you, the Z's. Oh, that is really cute. I like that. So it's just black and white. That's probably my favorite side for sure. And I love this one already because it's just black or white with black splatters all over the page. And then here's the other side. It's called Messy, and it looks like it's got maybe 2x2s on there. So this is yes, no, maybe, I speak fluent sarcasm. That's cute. Meh, embrace the mess. Life's hard. Coffee helps. That's for sure. Well, at least it was interesting. Basically, flawsome. Good enough. Cute. Oh gosh. Stop trying to make best day ever happen. That's funny, isn't that? That's so true. Both of these sides, actually. All right, and here's the other one, and this one is gray with some patterns on them, with some like leaf patterns on them. There you go. And here's the other side. It looks like it's just like white and yellow. It's called Blah, but I think, I don't know. I like both of them. And then here's the other one. This one's called Brave, and here's the back side. So let's see, get 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of 12x12 paper. And look at all those pretty colors. I'll just leave it like that just for a few minutes. And then you're also going to get this specialty sheet from Maggie Holmes. It's gold foil on vellum, and it looks just rose gold. It's really pretty. I'm loving that. So I'm just going to slide that in here. Okay, and then the next thing, let's see where I put all my stuff. It's designed by Lacey, and it was designed for Clique Kits by Lacey. There we go. And it's for May 2018. So you got this card, this yes, this happens, restored, redeemed, renewed, life happens, coffee helps, cheers to the weekend. Those cute little flowers. I love that cup right there. So just really cute things that match all of this goodness right here. And then, let's see. You will also receive, ooh, these pretty BU Puffy Alpha stickers. There's 238 pieces, and there we go. And they're that rose gold. I hope it, I mean, to me it looks rose gold. It's so, so pretty. I love it. And it's a pretty cursive font. So I'll lay that right there as well. I'm going to try and keep everything right here so you can see all the goodness in this kit this month. Or, yeah, for the month of May, actually. Okay, and then you will be receiving these puffy stickers, and there's 26 in the pack, and that says hustle and heart will set you apart, be bold, be brave, be you. I love that coffee. This makes me smile. Happy moments, eyes like a shutter, heart like a lens, so very happy. Let's see, just us, our story, beautiful moments, just lots of really pretty things on here. There we go, lots of goodness here. And then you're gonna get this little packet that has really cool embellishments in here. Let's see. Sorry for the crinkling. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? You get that. And these feel like, let's see. They're really pretty. That says hello. Like some type of vinyl or like a faux leather. You know what I mean. Like they're not paper. So, see, they're really soft. I like those a lot. So you get several of them. I hope you can see those really well. This is No Apologies. This feels like it's a sticker, but I'm not sure if it is. Probably not. It's just fabric. So there we go. Wow, there's a lot of these little pieces in there. I like those a lot. I like the feeling of them. I like that they're not paper and they're fabric. Still trying to get it together. Oh my gosh, I should like sew this onto my shirt because that is so me. I was on vacation. I think this is my second week. I don't even remember, isn't that bad, at work, and I still feel like I'm trying to get it together. I am all over the place these past few weeks. So flaws, mistakes, smile. There we go. And then here's some more of these fabric pieces. Love that. Here's another one of these. See, I got 2 of them. And then you get some twine in there as well. So everything's going to complement the kit. Loving that. Okay, let's see. This really pretty sequence pack that's got the peaches and this like iridescent colors and just really complements the kit as well. And let me see what else. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see something else. Wow. Okay, so you get these 2 ephemeras, and this says enjoy today, and then this little cup with the flowers. So you get 2 of those. And then I thought this was like an ephemera piece, but you are also getting ephemera. Let me make sure I got everything. Yep, looks like that's it. So you're gonna get this 54 pack of ephemera. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot this to the side so I can make some space for the ephemera pack. Okay, I'll just move this over here and I will put the ephemera here. Let me open it up. I'm excited for this kit. I mean, they're all really pretty, but sometimes you just get that one kit like that you gotta have and you love all the colors and everything about it. This is it for me. I really, really like this one so far. This is one of my favorites, so I can already tell. Here we go. So I'll show you the back, what's going to be in there, and then I'll just go through them really quickly for you. Okay, so like you got arrows, hearts, some they're falling out of my hand, so little tabs. Let's see, flowers, and they've got the gold, the rose gold on there. Quote that says, told you so sincerely, your intuition. I love that. This is real is rare. And just little pieces of embellishment, some like leaves and things. I never want to stop making memories with you. See some more leaves. So some of them look like they have the rose gold foil on them, and some of them don't. So that's nice. And more pieces here. Another coffee cup that says be you. Some tabs. The little pieces are falling from my hand, so just lots of different little pieces of ephemera. Trade your authenticity for approval. Oh, I like that a lot. Whoops, a lot of little things fell. So just some more flowers, a bird, some like vines right here. Let's see, yep, flowers, more vines and flowers. Lots of little goodies in here. Oh, look, don't procrastinate. I delegate tasks to my future self. There's so many things like I can make a shirt out of and wear it like this week. That's too funny. All right, what does it say? Click with love. This says stay true to you and you will end up incredibly happy. So there we go. That is the May kit. That is everything. That is a lot of embellishments and I am loving it. These have to be my all-time favorite. All these little fabric pieces right here. I'm loving these. And I just love the sayings on them. They're so so real. You know, they're not all cutesy. They're just like, some of them are just real. Like, or I like this page right here. I speak fluent sarcasm. So anyways, this is the May kit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. If you are not a subscriber to Clique Kit, I will have a link below and you can go ahead and go to their page, subscribe to them. If they have any extra kits left at the after all the subscriptions have been mailed out, I believe they will put them in the store for purchase. So go check them out. I love this kit. This is going to be one of my favorites so far that they've had this year so far. So this is it. This is my it kit so far. So I hope you guys check it out, and I can't wait to bring you projects with this. So I already know what pictures I'm going to use and I am really excited about it. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.